Your thoughts have more power than you think. Here are 10 powerful lessons from The Secret. You attract what you think about most. Your thoughts shape your reality every day. Focus on what you want, not what you fear. Feel the happiness before it arrives. Gratitude brings more good into your life. Visualize your dream as already real. Believe it is already yours. Stay around positive thoughts and people. Let go of doubt and trust the process. Take inspired action toward your goals. Your mind is your greatest tool. Save this and start today.